Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Dinosaurs and what is Dinosaur? I have a lot to go by a lot of different things. Today I'm playing World of the Goo, one of my favorite games. For those who don't know, it's a structure building puzzle game. You build structures out of goo. That's the entire game really. It's better than that, trust me. Anyway, time for my first level, gear grinder. Well, first level, give it to you guys. I actually have made a couple before this one. Oh, by the way, I am going to be changing the name, and I'm going to be fixing the name when I fully release this. So just ignore a lack of the space. Just imagine the space between the R and the G. You don't know why I'm playing like this? Because if I do it otherwise, the camera's going to be wonky. And no one wants that, except my haters. I don't have haters yet, so I guess really no one wants it. And so there are a couple people just like me in this world. I guess I do have haters. Anyway, the goal is simple. You gotta wake up this bomb, bring it down here, use it to blow up this, and get the gooballs in the pipe. Simple as that. Big problem. Down here. This isn't a regular obstacle. No. These are gears will tear apart your structure and fling it into the void. These gears will decimate your strategy, if not just flat out end you if a structure goes in. So yeah. Anyway, let's check out the sign. Whoa, that's pretty fast. Don't fall down there. You will die if it happens. Maybe there's a way to stop it from grinding. Nah, it'd be better to ignore it. The sign painter. Helpful advice for anyone trying to beat this level. One last thing. The OCD is this. Trust me, this is a lot less forgiving than it sounds. Now let's see if I can get the OCD. This run already dead. Attempt 2. This is gonna make it be a ball. OCD of like 30 or something. Decided this was harder. Which is a good thing. Everybody OCDs tended to be tough. I'll get it right this time. See, what did I tell you? It is basically just a leap of faith. If it goes in there, you're dead. Otherwise, you succeeded. Go on a little bit and you might still survive, though. That was not one of those times. I wasn't kidding when I said this was a tough level. Attempt 3. I personally would not recommend this be your first custom level. But this is quite a difficult level, especially for one which does not make use of any more advanced strategies like whacking. Seriously, I don't think I whack at all in this level. I don't think there's an advanced strategy I can even think of in it. Better the way to beat this level in like a minute. Probably less too. And it's gonna stop trying to do it fast and start trying to do it, well, fast enough. I think it's one of the best level I've done so far. Now you bring this down here. Yeah, that's sometimes that. That's gonna cost me some time. That too. Yeah, I think it says they're not getting the OC. Oh well, I just want to beat the levels for the video, so I could record this twice. First time was too low quality. I had a lot of failed videos, mostly due to my PC, well, not being a PC and a laptop, therefore it sucks. Big tip, I recommend you get the whistle before this level. If you don't, you will regret it, especially during, the end of the level. Alright, time for the moment of truth. Yeah. My brother would like to see someone try to sing at the OCD, because OCD is likely quite tough. If you want it, go to my website, which will be linked in the description. Again, the name will be changed to being Gear Grinder with a space. After that, there will be no changes. So enjoy the full version of level 1 that comes out. The video is over. Goodbye.